If you've watched King of Collectibles, The Goldin Touch on Netflix, you know that trading cards are reselling for millions of dollars. Yes, millions. The show features some jaw-dropping sales, like the $7.25 million T-206 Honus Wagner baseball card, and the $5.3 million Pikachu Illustrator card, the priciest Pokémon card ever sold. What's driving this craze? The answer lies in a simple economic principle: supply and demand. Rarity is key. Rare cards like the T-206 Honus Wagner or the iconic Pikachu Illustrator are in high demand but have limited supply. This scarcity drives up prices, turning ordinary cards into prized possessions. It's simply like finding a golden ticket in a chocolate bar. Take the T-206 Honus Wagner card, often called the Holy Grail of baseball cards. Issued by the American Tobacco Company in 1909, it's incredibly rare because Wagner, a non-smoker, demanded his card be withdrawn, likely not wanting to promote tobacco to children. Today, only around 60 of these cards are known to exist. The Pokémon iconic Illustrator went from $5.275 million in July 2021, and it's not just Pokémon cards breaking records. A LeBron James rookie card sold for $5.2 million in 2021, and a 1952 Topps Mickey Mantle card fetched over $12.6 million in August 2022. There are two main markets for trading cards: primary and secondary. The primary market is where people buy new cards, like booster packs. The secondary market includes stores, online shops, and auction sites selling individual cards. In the primary market, the price of card depends on rarity and interest from collectors. For example, in Magic: The Gathering, you might need to open 100 packs to find a rare card, costing around $400. As cards become harder to find, their prices can skyrocket. Online marketplaces and digital platforms have transformed how trading cards are bought and sold. Websites like eBay, StockX, and dedicated trading card marketplaces have made it easier for collectors to find and purchase cards from around the world. The trading card world is vast and diverse. From sports and entertainment to gaming and anime, there's a card for every collector. Pokémon cards, popular since the 1990s, have a loyal fan base. Iconic characters like Charizard are highly sought after. Magic: The Gathering has valuable cards like the Alpha Black Lotus, which sold for $511,100 in 2021. Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards based on the anime also have a strong following. In 2023, a unique Yu-Gi-Oh! Card called Tyler the Great Warrior sold for $311,211 on eBay. Sports cards featuring stars like Michael Jordan, LeBron James, and soccer legends continue to dominate the market. A Michael Jordan rookie card sold for $840,000 in July 2021, while a LeBron James 2003-04 Upper Deck Exquisite Collection rookie card sold for $5.2 million in April that same year. Beyond these giants, there's a growing market for cards based on movies, TV shows, and even video games. Decks like Dragon Ball, Super Card Game, and Marvel's Champions have been gaining fans recently too. The future of trading cards is a roller coaster. Even hedge funds are buying trading cards now. While the market has seen explosive growth, especially during the pandemic, it's essential to approach it with caution. A new trend taking place now is the concept of fractional ownership of a rare trading card. Companies like Rarity let you buy shares of a card like the 1979 Topps Wayne Gretzky No. 18 rookie card, where one could own a share of it at $40. Prices can fluctuate wildly based on trends and player performance, and bubbles can burst. But for those who understand the market, trading cards can be a thrilling and potentially lucrative venture. Who are the people behind these sky-high prices? Mainly players, collectors, and speculators. Players use cards in games, but they have less impact on high-end prices. In contrast, collectors, fueled by nostalgia and passion, often build lifelong connections with their cards, reliving childhood memories and celebrating favorite athletes. Meanwhile, investors see cards as assets, analyzing market trends and making calculated purchases. Speculators, driven by short-term gains, aim to capitalize on hype and sell at a profit. These interconnected roles create a dynamic market where trading card values can soar, with each group influencing the market in its own unique way. Investors often employ various strategies when investing in trading cards. Some focus on vintage cards, like the 1909-11 T-206 Honus Wagner or the 1952 Topps Mickey Mantle, which have proven track record of increasing in value. Others look for modern cards with potential future value, such as rookie cards of current athletes. Reprints are common when a card is in high demand. For instance, the base set Charizard, which has sold for over $420,000, can be bought as a reprint for about $70. Collectors and speculators drive the market by focusing on rarity and investment potential. Players might be okay with using a reprint if they just want to play the game, but collectors are a different story. For collectors, details like which set the card is from and its condition matter a lot. For example, a first edition Black Lotus from Magic: The Gathering can sell for over $500,000, while a later edition might go for $15,000 to $20,000. That's still a lot, but much less than the first edition. Most people buying these cards aren't using them to play, since the Black Lotus is banned in almost every format. Instead, collectors buy them for their historical value, like rare comic books. Grading is a crucial factor in determining a card's value. Professional grading services like Professional Sports Authenticator, Beckett Grading Services, and SGC evaluate cards based on centering, corners, edges, and surface condition. A card graded as Gem Mint 10 by PSA can fetch significantly higher prices compared to a lower graded version. For instance, a PSA 10 Michael Jordan rookie card from 1986 to 87, Fleer sold for $840,000 in July 2021. The grading process adds a layer of trust and authenticity, making it easier for buyers and sellers to agree on a card's worth. Then there are speculators. They don't care about playing the game or the card's history. They see cards as investments to sell later for a profit. During the pandemic, interest in trading cards skyrocketed, drawing in speculators from small investors to major Wall Street funds. They bought up rare cards, driving prices higher. For example, Logan Paul spent $5.3 million on a Pikachu Illustrator card, and then sold shares of it to his audience, increasing the focus on Pokémon card investing. The condition of a card also matters. A card graded 10 is worth much more than a lower graded one. Historical significance adds value too. For instance, the 1933 Gaudy Babe Ruth card sold for $4.2 million in July 2021. Nostalgia plays a big role as well. Many collectors actually buy cards to relive childhood memories. So what's next for trading cards? Are they in a bubble? It's hard to say. Prices might drop as pandemic-related economic issues settle. But for now, we'll have to wait and see. The future of trading cards may also see innovations such as blockchain technology and NFTs, Companies are exploring ways to create digital trading cards that offer proof of ownership and authenticity through blockchain. This could open up new possibilities for collectors, allowing for virtual collections and unique digital assets. Trading cards could potentially be an alternative investment, but it's important to be cautious and do thorough research. Whether you're a player, collector, or investor, trading cards offer a fascinating look into a market that blends passion, nostalgia, and finance. Would you start buying and collecting these trading cards now?